Hi, I'm Michael O'Malley, Director of Academic Programs at Johnson Wales University's College of Professional Studies. I've been working in the College of Professional Studies for over 10 years now, and have had the honor to work with thousands of online adult learners just like you. I'm here today to share with you some of my tips to be a successful online learner. As an online learner, it can be very easy to forget you're actually going to college, right? We can close the laptop, walk out of the room, and sometimes days can go by. This is why it's crucial that you stay engaged. To stay active and engaged, one of the top tips is to consistently log into your course room. Also be sure to review your email multiple times per week, looking for announcements where there'll be crucial information from your faculty about assignment due dates, instructions, and also from the university. Another tip is to find a supportive network. It's important that you get as many people on your side as possible. You let your friends and family and your coworkers know that this is something that is important to you, that it's a pursuit that's going to require a lot of your attention and your energy and your focus. But it's very important that you prioritize your learning and you make space for yourself to ensure that you're successful. This is a big commitment, and it does take a village to be successful. So don't be shy. Make sure you let everybody in your life know that this is something you're pursuing and get them on your side. Another tip is to ensure that you remember to take breaks. In order to boost your productivity and maintain your ability to be at your peak performance, it's important that you remember to take some time away from both class and work and do something that you find self-fulfilling. This can include things as simple as going for a walk, reading a book, listening to music, or even cooking a new recipe. You've already taken a big step in your life by pursuing this degree. So I would encourage you to continue down that path of self-prioritization. Remember that self-care is self-respect. It's not egotistical and it's not selfish. It's important, again, to ensure that you are resilient and resourceful and showing up with your best self. All of us at Johnson Wales University want you to be successful. And in order to support you, we've amassed a series of resources to ensure that you have help at your fingertips. Keep in mind that always your primary point of contact is going to be your dedicated academic advisor. But besides that, don't overlook the Writing Center, our online library, our career services, and a myriad other resources. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you utilize these tips to help you be a strong and successful online learner at Johnson Wales University College of Professional Studies.